Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to disavow backlinks. It is crucial to understand that this is an advanced feature, typically a last resort. You should only consider disavowing if your site has received a manual action from Google due to unnatural links, or if you strongly believe such links will cause one. Google's algorithms are quite good at ignoring most spammy links, so often no action is needed. However, if you've experienced a negative SEO attack or a significant, unexplained ranking drop, disavowing might be appropriate. Once you have identified the specific URLs or domains you wish to disavow, the next step is to create your disavow file. This must be a plain text file, saved with a TXT extension. Ensure the file is encoded in UTF-8 or 7-bit ASCII. Each URL or domain should be on its own line. To disavow an entire domain, prefix it with domain, followed by the domain name. The file size limit is 2 megabytes, allowing for many entries. With your disavow file ready, it's time to upload it to Google Search Console. First, log into your Search Console account and navigate to the Disavow Links tool. You will need to select the specific website property for which you are submitting the file from the drop-down menu. Then, simply click the Upload Disavow List button and choose your prepared TXT file. Confirm the submission, and Google will begin processing your request. After successfully uploading your disavow file, it is important to understand that changes are not immediate. Google will process the file, but it can take several weeks for the disavowed links to be fully factored into your site's ranking. Continuously monitor your backlink profile and overall search performance in Search Console. Remember, the disavow tool is powerful. Using it incorrectly by disavowing good links can potentially harm your SEO, so always proceed with caution and careful review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.